Check out this awesome cutting board from Caraway. This is the 10 by 7 inch version of it. There is a 10 by 14, and then I think one a little bit larger as well. And they also are available as an entire set of all three sizes, this being the smallest size at 10 by 7. We bought it specifically to take in our RV camping setup because we need a smaller footprint. So we trust Caraway and all their products because of their food safe best practices. This cutting board is made out of food grade safe or food grade certified birch wood. This is the way it comes. There's not much to it. It's just a cutting board. It is made of birch and it is treated with mineral oil. So that's the way you continue to maintain it. Is just add more mineral oil to it over time to keep the cutting board good in condition to use for a long period of time. We're excited to use it. As far as dimensions, as a 10 by 7, it is a little bit wider than 10 inches, almost 10 and a half. And it is just about the same, 7.5 the other way. So 10 and a half by 7.5. Like I said, there's two larger sizes in this, 10 by 14 and then like maybe a 14 by 20 or something like that. But we chose the small one because it met our needs for what we're going to use it for. Got a nice rounded edge on the bottom side, so it's not sharp edges. It's only kind of a sharper edge on the top here, and then it has this small little space here if you want to just set things in there while you're cutting whatever you're going to cut on this surface. Awesome cutting board from Caraway.